This is the Sadler UAV18-50 drone system. It is simple, it is rugged, it is low cost, it is proven. The Sadler UAV18-50 drone can carry payloads of up to 300 pounds over a range of 300 miles or more. Its speed is 115 to 150 miles per hour, depending on configuration and engine power. A fully automated flight system has been developed and extensively flight tested. It is now flying with full automatic control using the Global Positioning Satellite, or GPS, navigation system. It can be commanded from the ground or programmed to autonomously fly a multi-leg course. The Sadler UAV18-50 drone system has been flown for over 100 hours using its autonomous control system. It was successfully demonstrated to the U.S. Army Missile Command at the Yuma Proving Grounds in Arizona. The UAV18-50 can be used for surveillance, attack, or target applications. The standard UAV18-50 is equipped with a 51 horsepower air-cooled engine. It is available with a 95 horsepower engine for greater speed, payload, and range capability. It is available with a pilot's cockpit for manned control. The higher horsepower manned version can be used as a very low-cost armed patrol plane. The Sadler UAV18-50 is portable with its easy wing fold. It can be transported on a trailer or in a truck. It can be launched and retrieved from a short runway. It can be zero-length rocket launched and retrieved by parachute. A simple service vehicle can command, support, and service several drones. The Sadler UAV18-50 drone system is available now. It is mature. It is proven. It is very, very low cost. It is available now in production quantities.